be a tornado on the ground right there.
Where?
The whole white thing there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what it is. That's it in the basement. Where's this kid?
That's a big one.
Look at that, right there. Right there, see?
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
It's coming as look at.
Right there. That's it. Part of it.
It keeps coming this way.
We're the only county in the thing anymore. California 2 isn't in anymore.
It looks like it's bought on Lake Hampstead.
And it looks close enough to me here. Cats are gonna clean the house.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah, I seen sparks fly there. Electric lines. Tornado's past now. Got some good sized hailstones here though. Stretched out around the yard. Tornadoes over there.